Hey, this is Ben from InterroBot, and today I am going over mcp-server-webcrawl using InterroBot. Just so happens I am the developer of both of these projects. InterroBot is a commercial crawler, and mcp-server-webcrawl is an open source LLM connector. So these things work together like peanut butter and jelly. I'm just going to go over the requirements so you get a sense of what you need. You're going to need Python 3.10 plus. Python you can get at python.org. You're going to need InterroBot. I'm going to assume that you've installed InterroBot, and we'll head over there. So this is the screen that you'd see first time you open InterroBot. There are no projects yet. I'm just going to add example.com, and I will also add pragmar.com. And this should take about 20 seconds. If you're not familiar with web crawlers, what this is doing is it's collecting all the links in the index page and then collecting all of those pages and then doing the same thing, scanning for more links. So yeah, we're done. So now we have Pragmar and we have example.com. That's pretty much all we need from InterroBot if we're using mcp-server-webcrawl. But I did want to show you, when we set up mcp-server-webcrawl, we'll want to use this, this path here to InterroBot v2db, because that's how we're going to use our connector. Okay, let's head over to our terminal here, and we're going to set up mcp-server-webcrawl. I already have Python. If you don't have Python, check out the link in the description, get that installed, and then come back to this part of the video. But once you have Python, you have pip, which is the package manager. And you just want to do a pip install mcp-server-webcrawl. Of course, I already have it, but if you don't have it yet, it should install. So that is all set. And next we're going to deal with our configuration. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to head over to Claude Desktop. And within the settings, you can hit this Edit Config. And I'm just going to open this in VS Code. And let's get this in here. And just to be clear, that configuration is coming from the mcp-server-webcrawl page, and you can grab it here under InterroBot. You'll just have to add your particular path, and whether you're Mac or Windows, you can find that path in the options. And next thing we got to do is come back to Claude. It's very important that you exit. If you just close, I don't think the config actually gets reloaded. I think you have to exit. Okay, so once you reload Claude, you should have this hammer here. And this is a good sign. This means you have your web crawl search and your web crawl sites. Those are the actions that we just configured. We configured it with that one command. Just a heads up, the Claude Desktop interface has changed since I recorded the demo. And MCP servers are now under Search and Tools, so like right here, and they can be toggled on and off. But the button that I'm referring to, the hammer button that I'm getting excited about perhaps, is no longer part of the interface. So as of May 25, this is how it works. Things are in flux, so it could change again, but just wanted to give you that heads up. So the first thing I'm going to do is ask Claude if he can list web crawls. And that looks good. Those are my two web crawls. So the next thing I want to do is let's make a query so that we're searching. So there's two actions. We just did the list. So let's filter some content. Say, can you give me a file type summary? pragmar.com. Image types, HTML page count, etc. Let's see what Claude comes back with. Okay, so the first permission I gave was to list sites. This time I'm giving permission to search the web crawl. You can see the content being generated from the API. Taking a while to analyze. Still going though. Let's see what happens. Oh, cool. It's going to generate a report. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. In my mind, it's a great tool for managing a website or administering content on a website. It'd be a great tool for marketers if they want a sort of brand library that they can just query. They could use their website as that. I hope you give it a shot. And this is multi-crawler, so it does work with Katana, SiteOne, wget. Also works with work files, if that's your thing. Yeah, this thing is multi-crawler, ready to go. So if you find any of this interesting, go ahead and grab yourself mcp-server-webcrawl and give it a shot. See what you can do. Sky's the limit.